Good morning, Greg Spindler here. Hey, the other day I got to entertain a question from a client slash therapist. She was in a workshop a couple months ago in June, and she had the question when she came in the office for a little bit of review. And her question was, why do we mobilize the Symphis Pubis here, this joint here, after we do all those structural body work? Well, the important part of that is that when the hips are in a torsion, that means there's going to be a torsion down here or a misalignment in the Symphis pubis as well. Same with a side bend, same with anterior rotation on one side and posterior on the other side. It's not lining up as in an ideal state. So with a easy self-care, self-mobilization, we can get the client to improve this relationship here, as well as improving the relationship up in the SI and the lumbar sacrum positioning. If you want to take our classes, www.csbworkshops.com. I'll see you soon.